How to use the POS Discrepancies report. The POS Discrepancies report tracks the differences between stock items tracked in the Flipdish POS inventory management module and the items that were purchased by customers logged as staff meals or guest meals or freebie meals. Please note you will need to be a staff member with back office app permissions to access this report. So first, log into your point of sale back office with your email address and password. Click on the business or store name in the top right drop-down. Selecting the business name will aggregate sales data for all stores. Selecting the store name will filter data for that store only. Then click Reports in the left panel. Then click Inventory, and then click Discrepancies. Then add your date period in the top of the page. Please note when using filters or grouping, the report will default to grouping data by property, stock item, date. Along with being able to remove filters using the X button to the right of the filter, you can also drag and drop the columns to change the order. You can add and remove columns and filters using the columns and filters buttons on the right-hand side of the page. To learn more about your Flipdish point of sale, go to help.flipdish.com or contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.